In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Helium browser, even if you accidentally switch to a language you don't understand. For demonstration, we'll use a Hungarian setting so you can clearly see that the layout and labels always stay recognizable, no matter what language the browser is currently in. Even if everything looks unfamiliar, the key icons stay the same so you can still navigate safely. First, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu. Look for the settings area, usually marked with a gear icon, which is a universal symbol and stays the same in every language. Inside settings, find the languages section on the left side panel. Even if the text is in another language, you can still recognize it because language options are often grouped with a globe icon or symbols like an A or native script characters such as kanji or accented letters, depending on the current language. Once you click Languages, you'll see a list of available languages. If your preferred language is not already there, click the Add Language button, then choose your language from the list. After that, find your selected language in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it, and choose Display Helium in this language. A confirmation will appear, and you simply click the Relaunch button to restart the browser with the new language applied. This will immediately switch the entire interface to your chosen language, making everything readable again. And that's how you can quickly change the language in Helium, even if you got lost in a different language setting.